Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, feel welcomed, and for my returning subscribers, I always appreciate and God bless you. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing 1 week meal prep for weight loss. Yes, I'm trying to lose some weight, baby weight, and I'm also going to be showing you guys few items I got for the house. I hope you enjoyed this video.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So this is it guys. In case you want to lose some weight, you can as well join. Bon appetit. We also got this swing seat from Classy Furnitures. That's their name on Instagram, as you can see, and it is very comfortable and affordable. They actually do delivery to your doorstep. So if you're interested, you can just search them on Instagram and make your order. And it's also pay on delivery, making them so trustworthy. And they will also fix it and make sure that everything is okay before they leave. So on this day we went out to go and check some washing machines, and I really want to thank one woman in my comment section who has been praying for me to get a washing machine. So today is the day and we are heading to China Square at the waterfront to go and see if we can get the one we need from there.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Unfortunately, we did not get the one we wanted at China Square, so we decided to go and check at Carrefour, Karen. So we finally got what we wanted here at Carrefour, even though they couldn't deliver it on the same day, but they said they're going to deliver it on Thursday. They do deliveries on Tuesday and Thursday, so we went a little bit late, so they said until Thursday. And I'm so happy that we actually got what we wanted.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
So there are also some few stuffs I got from China Square, which I will show you. This pillow is very comfortable. It's very comfortable. I got them two of them. Yeah, it's actually it's a fiber. That's what I got. And then I also got few mats, and there's this scented candle. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, there's this scented candles I also got in China Square. And then this kitchen mat. It's two. Yeah, it's actually two. So just cut this one. So it's this. Put it so you can see it very well. It's this. And then this one. And then I got this bathroom mat too. It's very nice, and it can dry water very quickly. It's so good. I just like it. And then we also got this bathroom set. It has this, and then it has this one, and also this. So those are the few items that I got from China Square today. Yeah. So in my last video, I was thinking what to put on this my space, and I saw this beautiful seat on Classy Furnitures. So I decided to bring it, and at the center there, I'm going to put a table and put some decoration there. It's looking cute, it's looking classy. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.